ready.
So here we are in one shop where I'll be buying my fabrics, or where I always will come and buy my fabrics, and you can buy here as well when you are in Ghana. I have a fine sister here who seems to be the shop owner. That would take us through what she has in her shop and the beautiful fabrics she's got here. Hello.
Hi.
Akoba to the Returnees SANKOFA channel.
Okay, thank you.
I'm glad to be in your shop today. So tell us what you have here. And first, tell me about you.
Okay.
Introduce yourself to my viewers.
Okay, so I'm Ednam. Yeah, and this is Ednel's Fabrics. This is my shop. I have a lot of fabrics. With the names, I have a lot. Yeah, so it depends on what you want here. Right now, with the fabrics, I have GTP, I have High Target, Holland Text. So which one do you want? I have a lot.
Okay, so where do you get these fabrics from? Are some of these fabrics from Ghana?
Oh yes, most of them are from Ghana. Some are also from China. Some are from Cotonou. Some are from Togo. Yeah, it depends on the ones you want.
Okay, so in case someone wants to make a dress, I want to sew a dress, how do you sell your fabrics?
Okay, for a dress, just a normal dress, we will go for 2 yards. Yeah, it's a whole dress, we go for 2 yards. So with the 2 yards, it depends on the fabrics. As I said, it depends on the fabrics you want. So it goes with price. Yeah, it goes with price. So High Target has its price, GTP has its price. Yeah, the ones you want.
So tell us, in case somebody needs any of these fabrics for any occasion, does any of these fabrics matches every occasion?
Oh yes, my fabrics are for all occasions. For church, for dinner, for parties, for all occasions. Maybe for a photo shoot, you need African friends, you can get some.
So tell my viewers, in case anybody needs some of these fabrics, how do we select? How do they know these are the best fabrics that they can buy, they can select?
Okay, with my fabrics, they are all quality. They are all the best. I can tell you this is best and this is not. They are all quality. They are all colorful too. They are all for all occasions. Yeah, and they are affordable too. So it depends on the money you are having. The little pens that you can buy with my fabrics, they are not expensive. So any amount, I can get you a nice fabric for a nice program or a nice event. Yeah.
So okay, so again, some fabrics do wash away. Yes, some fabrics wash away. How do I know this is the best? I'm buying which one wash away whilst washing.
Okay, that is what I said earlier. With my fabrics, I don't have fabrics that wash away. One thing about me is I love fabric. I use fabric for everything, like for all occasions, for weddings, for church, parties. I always wear fabric, so I want correct fabrics, like quality fabrics that when I use it today, I can use it another day too. Yes, so I don't sell fabrics that wash away. I have fabrics for all occasions. If you want fabric, just enter my shop. I'll get you something nice. Yes.
So tell my viewers how they can be able to contact you in case they need to order any of these fabrics.
Okay, so when you go to Instagram, you look, you search Ednel's Fabrics on Instagram, and on Facebook too, Ednel's Fabrics. And for my WhatsApp, I can give you my WhatsApp number 0557817163. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me or you can call me anytime. I'll get you what you want.
So I'm right in Ednam's Fabrics,
Yeah.
where she has the best of fabrics you can always find in Makola Fabric Shop, the biggest fabric shop in Accra, the center of the city. Anytime you're in Ghana, you need the best fabrics, just call Ednam, or you can WhatsApp her on her number that she your number again, please. So
okay, so my number 0557817163.
great. So you can check Edinam's Fabric every time, anytime you're in Ghana. Come get your best fabrics right here. This is where I also buy my fabrics.
Of course.
Thank you for watching this video, and then stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the Returnees SANKOFA channel, and also press the bell for more videos. Medase.